right, folks. The second part of math for the afternoon session is going to be adding together fractions with unlike denominators. So we already went over how to find the denominator last week. So I'm not really going to focus on that. I'm just going to go through the steps of what you need to be able to solve this problem. So for example, if we have 1/2 plus 2/3, we cannot add these together because they don't, what is it? Basically because they don't look the same, right? So it's kind of hard if I have here 1/2 and I have 2/3, it's kind of hard to add them together because they're not consistent between the two. So we want to make them consistent between the two and then add the totals together. So I want you to pause and I want you to first try to change the denominators like we were last week. Hopefully you paused and did that. In order to get this, or the least common multiple between these two is 6. To turn the 2 into a 6 and multiply by 3. So we're going to go 1/2 times 3/3, and that's going to get us 3/6. And then here, we multiply everything by 2. So we'll have 2/3 times 2/2 equals 4/6. So we have 3/6 plus 4/6. This is where we are now, okay? So like I was saying before, like how they look different now with the same denominator, it's easier to add them because you have a bar graph here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 of them are filled up. So half of it is filled up. And we have another bar graph where 4 of the 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's now much easier to add these together because they're represented the same way. And that's why you're supposed to change the denominators. Okay, so we have, erase too much. We have 3/6 plus 4/6. Now when you're adding these together, the denominator stays the same. So this 6 just transfers over because you still need 6 pieces to make one whole. That doesn't change because we're dealing with two numbers. 3 plus 4 gives us 7. So we have 7/6 is our answer, okay? And I'm pretty sure you can stop there. I don't think that they're asking you to simplify yet, but if they are, in order to do that, you divide 6 or 7 by 6, and you'll get 1, take the remainder, 1/6. But I'm 99% sure that here is fine for Savas. And for me personally, for this quiz this week, this is all you need to be able to get to. We will worry about simplifying in the future as we spiral back through this topic. Give you one more problem. Two fourths and 3/8. So go ahead and pause and give it a shot. Okay, I know you guys all paused and gave it a shot, so now I'm going to hop in. So 2/4, instead of 4 and 8, the least common multiple between these two is 8. So in order to change this 2/4, we need to multiply the top and the bottom by 2. So you'll have 4/8. But since this is already an 8th, we don't have to do anything. It's already where we need it to be. So we can just bring that whole thing down. Now what happens with our denominator? What do we do with our denominator? Do we add these together? If you said no, you're correct. We just slide it over. It stays the same. But we add at the top. 4 plus 3 gives us 7. And we have 7/8, okay? So again, watch this video a couple times. You're going to have time because we're not meeting for this until noon today. So you're going to have time to work on this and to understand it. So please take your time. Good luck, folks, and I hope that I'll be seeing you later. You're going to have this and some writing today, so you can focus on that. Hopefully you use the time effectively.